In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run Python in Google Sheets. To begin, open your Google Sheets file. In this example, it is a stock watchlist spreadsheet, but the same process works for any sheet. Make sure you are viewing the spreadsheet in your browser with the normal menu bar across the top. Next, go to the top menu and click Extensions. This is where Google Sheets manages extra tools that can add new features to your spreadsheet. From the Extensions menu, click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for and install add-ons for Sheets. In the Marketplace search bar, type Highlight. As you type, you will see Results Update underneath. Look through the results and find Python for Sheets trademark. Click Python for Sheets trademark to open its listing. On the listing page, click Python for Sheets trademark again, and then choose the option to install it. During installation, Google may ask you to confirm permissions so the add-on can run inside your spreadsheet. Follow the prompts to complete the install. Once the add-on is installed, return to your Google Sheets file. If you navigated away in a new tab, simply switch back. If needed, refresh the page so the new add-on appears in your Extensions menu. Now click Extensions again, and this time you should see Python for Sheets trademark listed in the drop-down. Click Python for Sheets trademark to open it. This usually brings up a side panel where you can start setting up the Python environment connected to your sheet. In that side panel, click Start. This step initializes the add-on and prepares it to run Python. Give it a moment to load, especially the first time since it may need to set up in the background. After it starts, click Python for Sheets. This opens the main Python for Sheets area, where you can begin using the add-on to run Python connected to your spreadsheet data. At this point, the tool is ready, and you can proceed with your Python work inside Google Sheets. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.